So dear students, let's revise the next chapter here, that is chapter 7, outcomes of democracy. Okay, so points to remember. What are the important things we should know when we talk about outcomes? I have told you outcomes is a result. बच्चों सिर्फ ये बात ध्यान में रखनी है, आउटकम्स का मतलब होता है रिजल्ट. तो जिस देश में डेमोक्रेसी होगी वहां क्या रिजल्ट होगा? दिस इज व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग इन दिस चैप्टर, आउटकम्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. फाइन. सो डेमोक्रेसी रूल्ड बाय इलेक्टेड रिप्रेजेंटेटिव ऑफ द पीपल. सो डेमोक्रेसी के अंदर खासियत ये है, हमारे रूलर्स जो है उनको कौन सेलेक्ट करता है? हम लोग सेलेक्ट करते हैं. दिस इज द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. सो व्हाट आर द फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी? लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द फीचर्स ऑफ डेमोक्रेसी. सो हैव फॉर्मल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. इन डेमोक्रेसी वी हैव फॉर्मल कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन संविधान. ओके, दैट इज all the rules and regulations, set of rules and regulations, and we work according to our constitution. That is why it is called, we have legitimate government, right? Hold elections. In democracy there are regular elections after a particular interval, right? Have parties and they guarantee right to citizens. Okay, we have political parties in democratic government. Promotes equality among citizens. In democracy, everybody is treated equally. That is called promotes equality. Okay, whether he is rich or whether he is poor, whether he is a beggar or whether he is a businessman, everybody is treated equally. Everybody has one vote. Okay, enhances the dignity of individual. In democracy, if you are a crorepati or lakpati, that does not matters. Okay, ये मायने नहीं रखता है. You must respect the other individual. Okay, that is very important. Otherwise, he can approach the court or the police station. Improves the quality of decision making. When I talk about improves the quality of decision making, this is because in democracy, unlike the dictatorship or the monarch, the decisions are not taken on the spot. Democracy के अंदर on the spot decisions नहीं लिए जाते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि in democracy the decisions are debated in the parliament, in the legislature. After the debate, okay, the negatives, positives सब देखा जाता है. Then only the decision is taken. वो भी तब जब majority का support उसको मिलेगा तभी जाकर वो law बनेगा. Otherwise no. That is why delay होता है, time बहुत लगता है, but the decision is best in the favor of the people. Fine. Provides a method to resolve conflict. What does this mean? In democracy, the conflicts, the problems can be solved. For example, कोई दो ग्रुप हैं जो लड़ रहे हैं किसी मुद्दे को लेकर. So what happens is the people, the representatives, the government official will approach them. उनके पास जाएंगे, बैठेंगे, उनकी बात सुनेंगे और दोनों के problems को solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे. This is possible only in democracy. Allows room to correct mistakes. When I talk about allow rooms to correct mistake, this means, for example, if a law is passed, एक सरकार ने एक लॉ पास किया है और आगे जाके अगर उस गवर्नमेंट को लगता है कि ये लॉ जो है प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट कर रहा है लोगों के लिए, तो दे कैन मॉडिफाई इट. दैट मॉडिफिकेशन इज कॉल्ड अमेंडमेंट. मॉडिफिकेशन को एक रियल टर्म में क्या बोलते हैं? अमेंडमेंट. सो द बिल कैन बी अमेंडेड, चेंज्ड, so that the problem can be solved. Fine. So that's why it allows to correct mistakes. Now let's talk about reasons for democracy government certainly better than its alternative. If I talk about, we can say that democracies are better than other alternative. What does this mean? इसका मतलब ये है, हम कह रहे हैं कि डेमोक्रेसी जो है वो डिक्टेटरशिप, कम्युनिस्ट, मोनार्क, ओके, इनसे बेटर है. Why it is better? I'll just give you some examples and some are there on the screen itself. Okay, we can see here. Okay, in democratic government we have right to choose leaders and people have control over the rulers. Okay, accountable and responsible, do needs and expectations of the citizens, based on the idea of negotiation, take more time in decision making as the decision must be taken more effective and acceptable to follow procedures. ओके डिसीजन बहुत फास्ट नहीं लिया जाता, आई हैव टोल्ड यू एक प्रोसीजर फॉलो होता है, दैट्स व्हाई द डिले इज बाउंड टू हैपन बट इट इज इन द फेवर ऑफ पीपल फॉर द बेटरमेंट ऑफ पीपल. ओके transparency is there in democracy, that is right to information we have and we can find out from the where decision is taken, कहाँ से वो decision लिया, कब लिया, we can find out everything about that decision. Okay, we have free and fair elections, open public debates and we can criticize, okay, we can oppose if we don't like something, that is peacefully. But in non-democratic country, अगर non-democratic country की बात करें, they don't have elections there, right? Now you cannot oppose, अगर वहाँ की सरकार कुछ गलत, अगर डिक्टेटर कुछ गलत कर रहा है, आपको लग रहा है कि वो कुछ गलत कर रहा है, you cannot oppose, okay? I will just give you example. Recently in the newspaper, Jack Ma, okay, Chinese, a business tycoon, okay, I think you have might heard about Alibaba, वो उनके ओनर हैं. अभी रिसेंटली अगर आप अखबार पढ़ रहे होंगे तो आप देख रहे हैं, he is missing. Jack Ma is missing. Why he is missing? Because he spoke against the government. चाइना के अंदर क्या है, कम्युनिस्ट पार्टी, वन पार्टी रूल. इतना बड़ा बिजनेसमैन अगर कुछ बोल देता है सरकार के खिलाफ, वही अगर प्रॉब्लम में है, तो इमेजिन अबाउट द नॉर्मल पीपल. ओके, सो दिस इज इन कम्युनिस्ट कंट्री, नॉट इन डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री. ओके, दिस इज द बेस्ट एग्जांपल आई कैन गिव यू राइट नाउ, बिकॉज ये चीज अभी हो रही है. एंड there are no elections. I have told you, in non-democratic country, a monarch is not selected by elections, a dictator is not selected by elections. Okay, so and there is no transparency. ट्रांसपेरेंसी नहीं का मतलब, अगर वहां पे एक किंग जिस तरह पे चल रहा है, जो भी कर रहा है, जो भी डिसीजन ले रहा है, द पीपल डोंट हैव राइट टू आस्क हिम वो डिसीजन क्यों लिया, कहां से लिया. ओके, एंड दिस इज व्हाट मेक्स डेमोक्रेसी बेटर देन other forms of government. But democracy also has some problems. Okay, demerits are often ignore the demands of majority. बहुत बार ये कहा जाता है कि मेजोरिटी का डिमांड्स इग्नोर करते हैं, हर एक के प्रॉब्लम्स को सॉल्व नहीं किया जाता डेमोक्रेसी के अंदर. एंड सेकेंड वन इज वी हैव करप्शन. इन डेमोक्रेसी देयर इज स्टिल corruption, lot of corruption happening in democracy. So these are the drawbacks of democracy. Fine. Now let's talk about contribution to economic growth and development. So what is the contribution of democratic country? Okay, factors of economic development, country's population size. When we talk about economic development, हम क्या चीजें देखेंगे डेवलपमेंट के पहले? हम देखेंगे the country's population size, global situation, cooperation from other countries, economic priorities adopted by the country, etc. Okay, by these factors only the development of the country depends. ऐसे ही हम ये नहीं कह सकते हैं कि ये डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है इसलिए डेवलप नहीं है, वो नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री है तो वो डेवलप्ड है. फाइन, द फिगर्स शो दैट द नॉन डेमोक्रेटिक कंट्री आर लिटिल बेटर in comparison with economic development. But if I tell you a country which is better in economic development but not in human rights, will you live there? I will give you an example of China. China is good, better, और बहुत अच्छा है, इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट बहुत अच्छा है चाइना का, बट ह्यूमन राइट्स वहाँ पे जो लोग रहते हैं उनकी कोई इज्जत नहीं है. दे आर टॉर्चर्ड. अगर कुछ सरकार के खिलाफ बोल भी दिया तो वो गायब हो जाते हैं. आर यू हैप्पी टू लिव इन दैट कंट्री और इन दोज कंट्री वेयर पीपल आर रिस्पेक्टेड, ट्रीटेड इक्वली, है ना? सो यू विल डेफिनेटली से यस, डेमोक्रेसी इज बेटर. फाइन. So the role of democracy in reduction of inequality and poverty is not very successful. So in democracy it is seen that the rich is becoming richer and the poor is remaining poor. Economic inequality. So ये देखा जाता है अक्सर डेमोक्रेसी के अंदर, that's why it is criticized. इसके वजह से इसको criticize भी किया जाता है. Fine. Though based on political equality, one vote, one value, the growing economic inequality still exists between rich and poor. No doubt, whether he is rich or poor, he will have single value of vote, but still there is economic inequality. Fine. Some unable to meet the basic needs in life. In India, still there are people who are not able to fulfill their basic needs. Okay? Yes. Now, steps taken to reduce economic inequality and poverty. What are the steps taken by the government to reduce this inequality and poverty? Okay, definitely there are positive sides also. The steps are taken. Minimum needs program for the poor. Okay, distribution of surplus land. Okay, we have talked about PDS system, that is public distribution, ration card. Okay, कम दामों पे उनको रेशन अवेलेबल करवाया जाता है. Okay, reservation of jobs for backward classes. There are reservation for the backward classes so that they also stand where the other people are standing. Social security. When we talk about social security, old age pension, free medical aid, okay, subsidy for houses, okay, more employment opportunities are created by the government to help the people to reduce the poverty. Next, we are going to talk about accommodation and social diversity. When we talk about accommodation and social diversity, in simple it means in India we have different category of people, different cultural people, different languages. Now, इतना डिफरेंस होने के बावजूद भी सब एक साथ कैसे रह रहे हैं, दैट इज व्हाट वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट. Accommodation of social diversity. There are two conditions, there are two ways, okay, to achieve this. Okay, first one is majority always need to work with minority so that government represent a general view. So this is very important. Majority needs to work with minority. Do remember the case of Sri Lanka, wherein the people who were in majority, they took advantage, and that's why the problem started. This should not happen, otherwise the same problem will arise. So this is the first thing. Second is majority formed by different persons and groups, not in terms of religion, race or language. This is very important. अगर किसी ने majority form भी की है, so they should not be in terms of religion, race or language. Okay, so democracy remains as long as every citizen has a chance of being in majority. In democracy, everybody must get a chance to be in majority. This is very important. And in the end, at last, we're going to talk about dignity and freedom of citizens. So, in democracy, every individual wants to receive respect from fellow beings. हर एक चाहता है कि सबसे मुझे इज्जत मिले, भले मैं अमीर हूँ या गरीब हूँ, right? So all individuals are equal in democracy and they are treated equally. Freedom of expression to the people, their expectations and complaints are itself a testimony to the success of democracy. That is freedom of expression. जो आपको महसूस होता है आप एक्सप्रेस कर सकते हो, okay, आप कंप्लेन कर सकते हो. This is one of the best thing. कंप्लेन्स कर रहे हैं, यही एक बेस्ट प्रूफ है कि डेमोक्रेसी इज बेस्ट. क्योंकि इफ यू टॉक अबाउट डिक्टेटरशिप और मोनार्क, देयर यू कैन नॉट कंप्लेन. वहां अगर आप कंप्लेन करोगे यू विल बी इन प्रॉब्लम, यू माइट बी इन जेल. ओके, सो इन डेमोक्रेसी दिस डज नॉट हैपन. अगर आप कंप्लेन कर रहे हैं, किसी चीज को अपोज कर रहे हैं, यू आर रिस्पेक्टेड, यू आर वेलकम्ड, राइट. एग्जाम्पल, स्ट्रगल फॉर डिग्निटी बाय वुमेन, if recognized, they can always easily project moral courage of their problems. So this is one example. Okay, so this is it for this chapter. I request you to study nicely, go through the video, and please students, this is a high time, study very regularly. Okay, so thank you very much. Have a nice day. God bless you.